Look how beautiful these are. My goodness, look at that. They're so deep purple. Wow. What you guys doing? You guys are pretty. Look at you guys. Aw. Right in town. Stonewall Jackson. This is where I got my coffee yesterday, so I'm going to stop in here. I just got a massage at Vivo, and let me tell you, they give a great massage in there. Good afternoon, everyone. It is day 118 of my Appalachian Trail through hike. I am here at Gaster's Cafe here in Harpers Ferry, West Virginia. I'm taking a zero today. I got into Harpers Ferry yesterday, and the main focus yesterday was getting to the ATC, which I did. And I had a massage, a deep tissue massage scheduled, so I got to that. Really, really great massage at Vivo Hair Salon and Massage. I woke up today and my husband had scheduled another deep tissue massage this morning, so I went and had that done. And now I'm sitting here at Gaster's Cafe, and I'm waiting for one of my best friends from high school. She is driving 2 hours to come see me, and I have not seen her for at least 20 years. So I'm super excited, and she's just sent me a message telling me that traffic's bad, so she's going to be a little bit. So I'm sitting here enjoying a cappuccino and some roasted garlic and olives. I'm thinking if I eat this these cloves of garlic, that roasted garlic, that it may help the mosquitoes stay away from my skin. So we'll see. Right now I'm just waiting for her and her husband Dan to show up, and I can't wait to see them. What are you guys doing? What are you doing? You just hanging out? You making sure no one gets through? Do I have to pay a toll? What? You guys look like twins. Let me see the front of the other one here. Let's see. Up. You guys look like brother and sister. Silly kitty cats. Oh, brother.